Welcome to Reliable Accountants. Today we'll walk you through how to start a business in Australia. First up, you need to decide on your company structure. For most, a proprietary limited company, or Pty Ltd, is the way to go. This type of company offers limited liability protection, which means your personal assets are safeguarded if things don't go as planned. Next, choose a unique company name. Make sure it complies with ASIC's naming rules. You can check for name availability directly on the ASIC website. It's super straightforward. Now, gather all the required information. You'll need your proposed company name, registered office address, details of your directors and shareholders. At least one director must be an Australian resident. The share structure, number and type of shares. Once you've got all that sorted, it's time to complete the application. You can use Reliable Accountants as a registered agent. Your application will be processed, and within a few hours to a few days, you'll receive your Australian company number or ACN. Congratulations, your company is now officially registered. But wait, there's one more thing. You'll need to apply for an Australian business number, or ABN, through the Australian Business Register. Reliable Accountants can also assist you in getting your company's Australian business number, tax file number, goods and services tax, fuel tax credit, and pay-as-you registration. Set up your company records. This includes maintaining your company constitution if applicable, registers of members and directors, and minutes of meetings. Keeping good records is crucial for compliance and future business success. Let's take a quick example. Meet John, who wants to start EcoClean, a business selling eco-friendly cleaning products. John decides to register EcoClean as a proprietary limited company, EcoClean Pty Ltd space. Reliable Accountants register with ASIC, pay the fee, and obtain an ABN. By registering as a company, John enjoys several advantages. His personal assets are protected, EcoClean is taxed at the corporate tax rate, and he can issue shares to raise capital. Plus, being a registered company boosts EcoClean's credibility with customers and suppliers. So if you're thinking long-term and aiming for growth, registering a company could be a strategic move. Follow these steps and you'll be well on your way to business success in Australia. Got questions? Consult Reliable Accountants at 1300049534.